Hey guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm super excited to bring you guys a really different video. Normally what I do is I'll do a verse video where I'll go through everything, unboxing from sound, noise cancelling and everything between headphones. However, this time around I'm doing it a tiny bit differently. This is more of a first impressions of the product. I've got the AirPods Pro and the Sony WF-1000XM4s. All right, so in this video all I'll be doing is just a physical comparison and thinking and letting you guys what I think about it before I do the proper video, because the proper one really goes on for a lot more and it's for people who are really interested in a good breakdown, whereas this is just to see apples to apples comparison. Okay, before further ado, I'll let you guys know that I fund this channel completely myself, so if you appreciate that, give it a subscribe and a like. It's for free, it doesn't cost you anything. All right, let's get this underway. So on my left you've got the AirPods. Okay, so gloss finish, not too big a fan of that, whereas matte on the Sony. Got a bit of information here, USB-C charging, Thunderbolt. Okay, now size wise the Sony is like nearly twice as big. Frontal, about the same. The Sony I'd say is about the same because it's a bit longer as well, if you guys see it. Again, the Sony's a lot thicker as well. Right, so in side by side, if you like something smaller, the AirPods beat the Sony's out. Now the Sony's are $449 and the AirPods are $399. At the moment I can get them on sale from Sony at $389, so they're cheaper than the AirPods. Okay, let's open it up. So opens up, got a nice amber light there, I mean green light, and this gives you a green light as well. All right, comes out really easily. Okay, the magnets on these things are really tough. They come out and get a bit of getting used to. The Sony's need to get a bit of getting used to be able to get them out in one go. Looking at it properly, so you'll be seeing it more like this. So that's where it'll be sitting in your ear and popping out, whereas this doesn't really pop out of your ear. It sits nice and flush inside your ear. Looking at the whole thing, the Apple one does have a smaller footprint. So if we look at it a bit closer, now the Apple one has silicone. Okay, so very soft silicone, and the thing I don't like about it is because it's white, if you get earwax or dirt in there, it really shows, and it's very, very hard to keep clean. Also, it's got a lot of vents as well that dirt can get into. Okay, the Sony's on the other hand, first of all, they're waterproof. Okay, these guys are water resist. These are waterproof. So the difference between resist is you might get a bit of splash on it and you need to dry it before you put it in there. The cases for both aren't waterproof, whereas waterproof you can wash this. Okay, so it's got a bit of a vent here. With the AirPods, what I love about it is the stem is basically press sensitive. So if you press it once it'll pause music, but if you press and hold it'll sense it, whereas this guy is more like touch sensitive. I don't like touch in the sense I don't have anything against Sony, but against touch itself. Touch is very gimmicky, like it annoys the hell out of me. So far, like whatever headphones that have touch, whenever I try to adjust them, I've always paused music or done something that's I didn't mean to do. Anyways, moving on. Another thing, these don't have silicone. They've got like foamy, soft, cushiony things for the sealing of the noise isolation. So far they were a bit weird first going into your ear, but once they go in there, they really fit and sit in there really, really nicely. Also, it helps that it doesn't have something sticking out to get stuck onto clothing or something like that and just fall out and get crushed underneath your feet or underneath something, you know. So that's the differences that I can see so far. All right guys, that's basically it. Let me know what else I should have covered in my first impressions, if I've missed anything, but do hang in there. I've got the white ones coming out for these ones. I'll do the unboxing and comparison of the white and black, and also a proper review, and also what you guys would like to see this paired up against. Maybe a Samsung Buds or the Jabra Elite 75T, something like that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.